The weeping god told you what you have fought before. It was the worship incident, the unofficial leader of the TIC. He wasn't recognized by many TIC members including Epic Face. You have developed a plan to enter the TIC and overthrow it. The weeping god will help you to some extent because he mustn't leave the backrooms for too long.
So,